Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today video is very short and quick. Today I'm going to discuss with you upper, lower and the proper formula. First I will tell you about the purpose of this formula. What is the purpose behind this formula? This formula is used where we came across this situation where some words are in uppercase, some words are in lowercase, some words are improper. So we want to streamline all the words, we want to streamline the narration. This is the place where this formula comes to help us. So I created some words, I created some narration. So you can see this is a Microsoft Office Learning, but some of the words are in uppercase, some are in lowercase. So it doesn't look very nice. It doesn't look presentable. So if I want to make all of them in uppercase, so I will use the upper formula, which start with is equal to UP. So I'll select it with tab, the first cell reference, close of bracket, then press enter. So it will convert the Microsoft Office Learning all of the words in uppercase. Now it's looking more presentable than before. Before you can see that few of the alphabets, like in learning word, the A, R, N, these alphabets were in lowercase, but now in Microsoft Office, in entire this word, all the alphabets are in uppercase. If I want to copy this formula, simply double click on bottom and it will copy all of them. So it has converted from the improper case to uppercase now. So now I'm deleting this for time being. So I want to show you another type. This is a lowercase. For example, if we want to convert these wordings, these words in lowercase, so I will use lower formula. Lower formula start with is equal to LOW. So press tab, click on the cell reference, close of bracket, press enter. So it will convert the Microsoft Office Learning all of the alphabets in lowercase because of the lowercase formula. So if I want to copy this formula, I'll just press enter, double click, and it will copy for all of them. The thing is, first I converted into uppercase and now I have converted into the lowercase. It depends on the requirement, what you want to do, how you want to present your information. So now I'll apply the third formula. I'm deleting it for the time being. So the third formula is a proper case. Proper case is a commonly used, is widely used. In most of the contexts, we use the proper case. So is equal to PROP. So I press tab, click on the cell reference and then close of bracket and press enter. So this information, this formula is a more presentable. How it works? It keeps the first alphabet of each word in uppercase and rest of the alphabet in lowercase. Like in Microsoft Office Learning, in Microsoft Word, it keeps the M alphabet in uppercase and rest of the alphabets in lowercase. Same the case of the Office, it will keep the O in uppercase and rest of them in a lowercase. If I want to copy this, just simply double click on it. It will convert all the words in the proper case. Proper case formula is more presentable, is widely used. It is used to make the words, the narration more presentable. So these are three formula: uppercase, lowercase, and the proper case. Uppercase to convert the wording, convert the narration in upper. All of the alphabet will be in uppercase. In lower formula, all the alphabet will be in lowercase, but in proper case, first alphabet will be in uppercase and rest of the alphabet will be in lowercase. So proper formula is widely used. I hope so you like this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss any upcoming video. So I see you guys in next video.